Okay, I saw this video because of a response by Thou Art That. I don't know where you're going with this exactly, but to me it seems like the question itself is wrong. The approach is something I already reject because I don't think it makes sense. I mean, the phenomena of time is something we observe. The phenomena of consciousness as well, but especially so in the case of time. So it's something we observe. And we have concepts of time that are built up in our head over time as a result of of processing these perceptions and experiences and abstracting from those a concept of time. I mean, namely from the very basic nature of they seem to be in a series, one happening after the other. From this, we abstract the concept of time. Now, at that point, we think our model of time is matching reality, but as we keep paying attention, we notice, wait a second, our idea of time doesn't really match what we're seeing in the universe. For example, if there was a deterministic future and the concept of time, implies that we don't know what's going to happen yet, it hasn't happened yet, and we have some physical idea that suddenly it looks like, wait a second, we do know what could happen. It's determined, and so time doesn't isn't an illusion, and just that model of time in our brain is the illusion, and it just needs to be redone. In other words, time isn't it doesn't not exist. Uh, what is an illusion is our model, our conception of time. That's what has to be rebuilt. So to me, the question only is, about this model of time. So you can say our model of consciousness and time is totally wrong, and it's this it should be this concept that's so strange you won't even want to call it time. But eventually it will be called the concept of time because the old one will have been, wrong. It's an example I use a lot for is that, it appears that the sun goes around the earth. We see it go around and it comes up on the same side, kind of implying it goes underneath and it appears to go around the earth. And but as we learn more, as we look more, then we realize, wait a second, we see some phenomena that are not consistent with it going around the earth and which are more consistent with us on the earth going around the sun. And so we update. It's not that the sun was an illusion. It's not that its movement in the sky was an illusion. It's just that we needed a better model. So I believe our models of consciousness and cause and effect and contradiction and time are all badly in need of an update. And we have lots of information on how they should be updated, specifically from the sciences, but also just in general from having more experience. And so I'm on board with that. But to say time is an illusion misses the point. To say time is an illusion only is to say there's nothing really there, that we don't need to fix our model. We just don't need a model because it's something that doesn't exist. Now, really, I think if I listen closely and you're saying something intelligent, more likely you'll be saying that we need to re-evaluate our model of time and improve it.